Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase investment strategies with JPMorgan Chase Co. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your financial goals. Identify whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or wealth accumulation. Research the investment options available through JPMorgan Chase & Company. Visit their official website to explore various investment products. Consider their mutual funds, ETFs, and individual securities. Open an investment account with JPMorgan Chase & Company. Gather the necessary personal information and financial documents. Complete the application process online or at a local branch. Once your account is set up, assess your risk tolerance. This involves understanding how much risk you are willing to take with your investments. Utilize JPMorgan Chase's risk assessment tools to help with this evaluation. Create a diversified investment portfolio. Diversification helps mitigate risk and improves potential returns. Choose a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. Monitor market trends and financial news regularly. Staying informed helps you make timely investment decisions. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you're uncertain. JPMorgan Chase offers access to professional experts for personalized guidance. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your investment strategy. This involves adjusting the allocations in your portfolio as necessary. Keep track of your investment performance over time. Review how your investments align with your financial goals. Make adjustments based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Take advantage of JPMorgan Chase's educational resources. They provide tools, webinars, and articles to enhance your investment knowledge. Engage with their mobile app for real-time updates and management. Utilize the app to check your account performance on the go. Stay disciplined and committed to your investment plan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.